You searched how to buy shares of TECOM Group PJSC, and this short walkthrough will guide you step by step. TECOM Group is a Dubai-listed business communities and commercial real estate operator on the DFM under the ticker TECOM.AE, and this material is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TECOM.AE to locate the listing. Confirm you select the result for TECOM Group PJSC on the DFM. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to ensure this is the correct stock. Double-check the listing shows TECOM.AE and the DFM exchange. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your TECOM.AE position will appear in your portfolio and holdings view. A link to eToro is placed in the description if you want to explore the platform further.